Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can configure attendance management for your organization. This is the Kroolo dashboard. First, click on your profile, then go to Settings. On the left, scroll down and click on App Features. Scroll down again. At the bottom, you'll see Attendance Management. Simply enable this, and you'll see the attendance feature here. Click on that. This is where you can configure attendance management. You can configure clock-in behavior, location tracking, access restrictions, and regularization windows for your organization. At the top, you'll see GPS location tracking. You can enable or disable it from here. If it's disabled, employees need to manually enter their location. If it's enabled, the location is fetched automatically. Below that, you'll find clock-in restrictions. The first option will allow employees to clock in during weekends. Let's enable it. Further down, you can allow clock-in during holidays. When this is enabled, employees can clock in on holidays. Below that, we have the option to allow clock-in during leave. When enabled, employees can clock in while on leave. Next, you'll see the regularization request section. Here you can configure the regularization window. Set how many days employees have to submit attendance regularization requests. Just enter the number of days here. That's how you can configure attendance management for your organization.